All right, here we go. So, please know that the slope goes next to the x, and the y-intercept is a number all the way over here all by itself. Okay, that's why it's called the slope-intercept form of the equation. Now here, I'm going to show you how to graph this. So let's say we started on, this tells us where to start. So we find 2 on this line, just this line. So 1, 2, it's right here. So that's where 2 is on this line. That's my start point. Then this says go up 2 and to the right 3 from where you started. So I go up 2 and to the right 3, make another dot, and now that's it. Okay, here we go. Now here, I have the equation, I have the graph already done, and I have to write the equation for it. Now I know that it says it goes y equals, something goes right here, x, and then the y-intercept goes right here. So we have to find our start point. In this one, I also made it 2. So it's going to start on 2, so I'm going to write plus 2. If it was negative 2, I would have written minus 2. Now, the slope is going down. You see how this slope is going down? This is what an up slope looks like. This is what a down slope looks like. So it's going down. So 1, 2. So 2 down. So negative 2. And then it goes 1, 2 to the right. And then 2 on the bottom right here. So negative 2 over 2, which is really just negative 1. But we could leave it like that. Or write like negative 1. And I'll be fine with it. And that's the slope. And that's the y-intercept. So the equation is y equals negative 2 over 2, x plus 2. Now, let's talk about rate of change. That is another name for slope, which is right next to the x in an equation. Initial value is another name for y-intercept, which is at the end of the equation all by itself. Now, you know how to find a slope in a y-intercept in an equation. You know how to find the slope and the y-intercept on a graph. Now you have to know how to find slope and y-intercept in a chart. So the slope, the y-intercept, okay, so remember we're gonna write this equation again. So we're looking for the slope and we're gonna be looking for the y-intercept. Now the y-intercept is very easy. Wherever x is 0, whatever y is attached to that is gonna be the y-intercept. So I know that the y-intercept is 6. Bless you, Mr. Castro. Then the slope. Slope is the change in y divided by the change in x. So, the change in y is 1, 1, 1. So the change in y keeps on being 1. So the change in y is 1. The change in x, the change is up 2, up 2, up 2. So positive 2. And we are done. Good luck, everybody.